Hello, welcome to the Maker Tutor channel. This video clip will teach you introducing how to control a servo motor with the ESP32 family board using the Arduino IDE. Don't worry, we have prepared the wiring diagram for you in the video clip. This video clip will guide you how to control a servo motor to rotate at the angle you want. In the example, the servo motor rotates at degrees 0, 90, and 180. Wiring connection step by step. 1. Connect the red wire to DC plus of the power supply. 2. Connect the brown wire to DC of the power supply. And 3. Connect the yellow wire, signal wire to the GPIO2 pin of the ESP32 board. Open the Arduino IDE program and install the Arduino library. ESP32 Servo. Choose the correct type of your ESP32 board. The board I used in the video clip is ESP32, WROM32. Press Upload to install the program onto the ESP32 board. While the ellipsis appears after the connecting text, press and hold the boot button for about 5 seconds. There will be a message showing that there is a percentage written until 100% is complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support the making of video clips.